YouTube channel. Today our special guest Amelia is going to help us make Christmas cupcakes. Yay! Here are our cupcakes. And here are the decorations. We have Santa and Snowman, snowflakes, sprinkles, some leaves, some lollies, and more sprinkles. And icing! We have 3 because one's for me, one's for her, and one's for Lucas. I am grabbing. Let me grab one for you. So grab some icing. I'm grabbing. Yeah. If we eat some ice. What the? It's not going on. It looks pretty good. Yeah, looks really good. I know what I'm gonna do. This is the ugly one. That looks like a tomato. Yeah. Are you supposed to make Santa? I would eat it too. Done. Yeah. Yummy. Mom, I got the biggest. Cutest. I got the smallest. Now it looks like a big giant castle. It looks like a big giant mountain if you fall down and then you break your butt on the plate. Lukey, it's not time to eat. Now it's time to decorate. I just want a little bit. Open this. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. I want you to eat it. Put that there. Here. Christmas tree, right? I'm going home. Look at this one now. I need to put some Santa on it. Hold on. Get this one. I'll get some snowflakes. I'll get one. Santa's eating it on his face. Look, I'm the best. See? I'm going to eat it now. Uh-oh. Why are you breaking it? This is my nose. It needs to be perfect. Mine's perfect. I'll put one. Santa's going to be surrounded. Lots of them. Sprinkles taste so good. Get off Santa's face. Mine needs to go on the top. Mine looks colorful. I put a Santa on it, a candy cane, a Christmas tree, some leaves, snowflakes. I made mine really neat. I have a Santa, I have snowman, and I have lollies, and I have a Christmas tree. All of the cupcakes are so good, we can't seem to pick a winner. So let's just eat. But before that, we're gonna do our shout out to Henry. Henry, your dad Lee says he loves you, and he always wants you to clean your room. I love you, Henry! Do you know Henry's at my daycare? So now let's eat! Ah. Amazing. Ew! To me. Not to you. See the thing. Hey. This is like sunscreen, but just rain. It's time for us to go. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Merry Christmas!